What you got going on? High nose, eyes closed, holding on. And I don't want another date and break. And take off, steal off, right away.
What you guys just got done seeing. First part of the video was the last little bit of a half-mile run. I think it was like an 1/8 mile, roughly. It's not exactly a half-mile, no. The exact distance, I just know it's close to a 1/4 mile down and a 1/4 mile back for a half-mile total. But you saw from back there, come all the way around, back where my Jeep's at, about an 1/8 mile in gear. Not a plate carrier, it's just a chest pack. I'm not in the military anymore, so I don't really care to carry armor. I have it, and I do train with it every once in a while, but mostly what I'd be doing, I'd just be running with one of these. I'd rather be mobile than armored, personally. Other people might disagree with that, but overall, good training day. I've been trying to lose weight. I'm down about 14 pounds now from what I was. Been working out every day pretty much, trying to get myself back into shape. And again, gonna be running these every once in a while. So catch you guys later. Get on train.